Recycling. Recycling your old clothes means reuse or convert your old clothes into new form. I very much like recycling. I wish to use my old clothes into new form rather purchasing a new one. This is actually my hobby. I love it very much. This time this video is also on recycling. So this time I choose this pink Georgette dupatta. This is a very fine and thin material, and this is also very old dupatta, and the color is already faded down. So I just wish to give it a new look, a designer look. I use acrylic color on it and try to give it a gorgeous look. This is very easy, very simple and not so much time consuming. So after watching this video, you can also convert your any old dupatta, old sari into the new form. And I will also show you the special procedure or this different procedure to paint this organza or Georgette type thin material in this video. So if you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, then share also with your friends and family. So let's start the video. This is a very thin Georgette dupatta and the color is faded pink. Using this wooden frame so that the clothes doesn't touch the floor. I didn't draw any pattern on this cloth. I am just using brown acrylic color and make some freehand floral motifs. Here I am using number 3 round brush. For the core of this flower, I am using golden yellow color and number 11 round brush. Brush is better for this part, but according to your comfort, you can use any number of brush. This is orange acrylic color. I am using orange and brown acrylic color for these petals. For inner side I am using orange color, and for the outer portion I am using brown color, and then blend it as smooth as possible. Now I am trying to define this each flower with this black color and a thin brush. For background I am using sky blue and using a thick brush like number 12 round brush for this background part. You can use more thick brush if you can manage, and later I will also blend ultramarine blue with this sky blue for this background. Wooden frame is not a very good option for this type of material. Some dedicated frames are there for that type of thin material like Georgette or organ. If you wish to use this type of small wooden frame, then you have to wait until the color will dry. This is a drawback of this wooden frame, and sometimes it's also hamper the material. If you have that type of frame, then it's very good, but if you don't have, then you have to manage like me. I am using two stack of books and place this dupatta in between of these two stack and secure this material, secure this clothes with a heavy object put on these two stacks. Similar way, sometimes I place this dupatta or place this sari or material in between two chairs. Sometimes in between of the baby cot. So in this way, I can manage this thing. This first border using golden metallic color and number 11 round brush. This is our second border where I am using blue pearl metallic color and same this number 11 round brush. Pink and blue is always a good combination. Up part of this dupatta I have used this type of floral patterns, and for the rest of the parts I am using this type of some geometric shapes. This is just freehand some round shape. This is very easy. Geometric shape I am using sky blue, ultramarine blue, and for this core part I am using golden yellow pearl metallic color. Leaves will make gorgeous this floral pattern. For leaves I am using light green and dark green also, and I am using black color to define the branches. Showing you one more flower using very close view. This way you can recycle your dupatta and sari of this thin material. Color of your clothes is already faded down like me. Don't worry, trust on yourself. Your brush and paint and color will definitely do a magic on it. If you enjoy this video, please share it and give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel for this type of more videos on art and crafts. Thanks for watching.